This is my room at the Paradise Boutique Hotel at Ho Chi Minh City. It is fairly standard shower and bathroom. Nice big shower enclosure. 2 shower heads, which is always handy for washing your arse. And a nice big comfy bed. Safe. Dressing gown. Need flip-flops though. Oh no, I tell you, there are slippers. And then, quite a good thing with these hotels is they've got international plugs, so I can just plug my British plug in and not worry about the adapters. And then desk, and you can sit quite comfortably with your legs under the desk at that big ugly bastard right there. And then the reason why I booked this room, number one, the view. And number two, the hot tub, which I will be sure to test out at some point today.